Hello my friends, Steve the Hurricane here, and I am so excited to announce that we are doing for the first time ever a home health and hospice workshop this October in Houston, Texas. For years, we've had home health and hospice representatives and business owners come to our boot camp. We have finally created a custom program specifically for you. We're going to talk about doing lunch and learns. We're going to talk about creating power partners. We're going to talk about everything you need to do to get in with all of the physicians, all of the hospitals, all of the skilled nursing facilities, and more in your area so that you can truly dominate your marketplace. Sign up right now by clicking on the link below, and we'll give you everything you need to blow away the competition.